Ever wondered how to deal with a woman whose ego is way too high? Today, we're diving into a topic that's bound to stir things up a bit, but sometimes you gotta play the game to win it. We're talking about 13 ways to break a woman's ego. It's time to level the playing field because some egos out there are just way too inflated. So let's get into it and learn how to handle those sky-high egos. Number 1, never validate her ego. You already know this one. If she has that type of ego, never validate her. No compliments. No telling her how beautiful she is. Never put a woman on a pedestal, especially if she hasn't earned it. Giving her free compliments only boosts her ego more. If you're already complaining about her high ego, just keep doing that, and you'll see it increase by the second. Every guy is doing it. So whatever you say about her looks isn't going to stand out, especially if she's a beautiful girl. A woman who doesn't value compliments won't care about you saying she's beautiful. She hears it all the time and already thinks she's the best. You're not helping your case. The more you boost her, the less she'll try to pursue you. Keep your compliments in check and make her earn your validation. Number 2, look at other women. She needs to know that your eyes are still open and you're aware of other women. Don't be too obvious or disrespectful, like saying, "Damn, you see that?" when you spot someone attractive. But when you're walking with her, it's okay to glance at other women. We're not trying to get you into a relationship with a girl who has an inflated ego and doesn't value you. She needs to come down to earth, so feel free to look at other women. Just keep it subtle and don't make comments. This will show her that you're not solely focused on her and can see the value in others too. Number 3, never argue or get emotional. The minute you argue, it means you're too invested and scared to lose her. Women can tell you're invested if you're willing to argue. If you don't care, you don't argue. Don't raise your voice, don't yell, and don't get emotional. She needs to be cooperative if she wants to engage with you because you set your boundaries and you don't allow drama around you. If she wants to engage in those behaviors, tell her it's time for her to go. Just think about it. When you find yourself arguing with a woman, it's usually because you're emotionally invested, and she knows that. Avoid that back and forth. Set your boundaries and stick to them. If she sees you as unbothered and emotionally controlled, she will respect you more. Number 4, never ask for commitment. She needs to be the one asking for commitment and pushing for a relationship. If she sees that you're too eager for commitment, her interest will drop. So, never ask for commitment. Act cool with however things are right now. By asking her to be your girlfriend, you're inadvertently showing her that you think she's the best you can get. It might sound twisted, but that's often how it is in a woman's mind. Maintain your frame, stay cool, and let her come to you for commitment. Number 5, don't get excited to know her. If you seem too eager to hang out and learn about her life, you're just boosting her ego. She'll think she's got you wrapped around her finger. Don't text with emojis. They show too much emotion. When you text her, just ask her out. Yes, you do want to see her, but don't act overly excited. Keep it casual and straightforward. Say something like, "Hey, want to grab a drink?" Keep it simple and maintain your cool. Number 6, don't be eager to have sex with her. If a woman senses that you're desperate for sex, she'll play games with you and use it as leverage to get what she wants. So act like you don't care about it. For example, if you're at her place, things get heated, and she suddenly pulls back, just stay cool and say something like, "No worries, we can stop." Getting mad or frustrated shows that you don't get it often and that you're too invested. Staying calm and collected, on the other hand, demonstrates confidence and suggests that you have other options. This will make her more interested because she'll wonder why you're not desperate. She might start questioning herself, thinking, "Why doesn't he want to sleep with me?" And this curiosity can work in your favor. Some women might even go out of their way to try to make you want them more, throwing themselves at you to get a reaction. By acting nonchalant and maintaining a cool demeanor, you keep the upper hand and make her more intrigued and eager to pursue you. This approach shows that you're in control and not easily swayed, making you more attractive in her eyes. Number 7, dress nicely in public. Women are used to being the center of attention when they walk into a room. But if you're dressed well, with some swagger and style, you'll start turning heads too. When people notice you, even complimenting your fashion sense, it shifts the focus away from her. This can throw her off because she's not used to it. Her ego might take a hit, and she'll start realizing who she's with. She'll think, "Wow, everyone wants him. I need to secure my spot." This realization makes her appreciate you more and try harder to keep your attention. Dressing well not only boosts your confidence, but also shows that you take care of yourself, which is always attractive. By looking sharp and stylish, you naturally command respect and admiration, making her see you as a valuable catch that she needs to work to keep. So, next time you go out, make sure you're looking your best. It's a simple way to keep her on her toes and show her that you're a high-value man. Number 8. Don't hit her up after you hit it. After you've been intimate, don't be the one to text her first. If you reach out right away, she might think you're doing it because she was so amazing in bed. Instead, tell her she can hit you up whenever she wants, but don't be the one initiating contact. When you leave her place, that's it. Don't text her after sex. This will make her wonder why you haven't reached out. She'll start thinking, was he just trying to sleep with me? Did he not enjoy it? What's the deal? This curiosity will bother her, and she'll feel compelled to get to the bottom of it. By not contacting her first, you create a situation where she's the one texting and calling, trying to see you again. This way, you're allowing her to pursue you, which can increase her attraction and interest in you. Number 9, don't go down on her. This one might be tough, but some of you might actually appreciate it. Don't go down on her. Why? Because when you do, you're validating her in a big way. Not all guys do this for every woman, so if you do it, she's gonna think she's special. By not going down on her, you're breaking her usual pattern of men wanting to please her. This creates a sense of challenge. She'll start thinking, why doesn't he want to? What's different about him? This curiosity can make her want to chase you more, trying to earn that special treatment. In the end, not giving her that validation will make her feel like she needs to pursue you and work harder to get your attention. This reversal of roles can significantly boost her interest and attraction towards you. Number 10, never show jealousy towards another man. Why show jealousy? If another man is around, it shouldn't bother you. Being jealous signals that you're insecure and think someone else can take her from you. Confidence is key. You need to believe that you're the best option for her and act like it. When you're confident and don't show jealousy, she'll notice. She'll start thinking, he's so sure of himself. He knows he's the best. This attitude makes her realize that you are the prize. It lowers her ego and increases her respect for you. By not reacting with jealousy, you show that you're secure in yourself and your value. This makes her more attracted to you, knowing that you're not easily shaken by competition. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and showing that you're unbothered by other men reinforces your position as the top choice in her eyes. Number 11, never be too available. Always being available can make you seem too eager. If she wants to hang out, don't drop everything for her. Have your own life and priorities. When she asks to meet up, say, sorry, today's not good. Maybe tomorrow or this weekend. By not always being available, you show that you have your own schedule and commitments. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives. Being slightly unavailable creates a sense of mystery and makes her value your time more. It shows you're a high-value man with a lot going on. Number 12, never chase for validation. You shouldn't need validation from anyone, especially from her. Women get validation left and right, but the moment you seek it from her, it signals insecurity. When you chase validation, it shows that you don't know your own worth and need her approval to feel good about yourself. This is a major turnoff. You should be confident in who you are and not rely on her to tell you your value. Be self-assured and independent, knowing your own worth without needing external validation. Number 13, be random with your texting. Leave her on red sometimes. Women do it all the time, so keep her on her toes. If you text her good morning every day, she'll know exactly where you stand and that you're highly interested. Instead, text her sporadically. Make her wonder if you like her or not. Text her one day, then skip a day. Mix it up. Sometimes text her in the morning, sometimes at night, and sometimes not at all. Keep her confused and guessing about your feelings. This way, she'll feel the need to pursue you to figure out where she stands. The goal here is to be seen as high value. Women want men who are, in their minds, better than them. Ensure your value is high and hers is lower, so she respects and pursues you. This is how you maintain control and keep her interested. That's all I have for you guys. Remember, it's all about maintaining your value and not boosting her ego. unnecessarily. Like, share and comment if you found this helpful.